Chapter 2, The Wonderland of Pictures. See, dear children, by hearing the word the wonderland of pictures, what all images come to your mind? Yes, it is something related to pictures. Okay, so in this chapter, you are going to handle with the pictures. We are going to edit the pictures, modify the pictures, duplicate the pictures, etc. Okay, so the wonderland of pictures. Here you can see that Hari see her old family photo. Here you can see that here Hari saw an old family photo of his. So at that time he want to crop the childhood photo from that large photos. Okay, so don't such questions occur at times? Okay, so you also want to be cropped an image from a group photo and resize it with the help of a computer. I think you all had done the cropping of images in your smartphones. Okay, so in this chapter you are going to do in the computer by the help of a software. Okay, so there is a project Earth and Man in the unit In Search of Earth Secrets in your social science textbook. Right. So you want to collect pictures related to that and you want to cut the relevant parts and change the size of them. Okay. So at that time you could include that pictures while preparing the project in the computer. So the first step is that collecting the required pictures. Dear children, how can you collect the pictures? You want to collect the digital pictures. Okay, otherwise you can collect it from newspaper, magazine, etc. But here that is not possible because you want to collect the digital pictures. What do you mean by digital pictures? Yes, the pictures that is in the computer or in the mobile phone or any other electronic devices. Okay, that we can call it as digital pictures. So, from where did you get the digital images? That is activity 2.1. Let us get a picture. Okay, first one is that capture a photo using a digital camera and click in the computer. Okay, by using the camera you can take the photo and you can copy that it into the computer. Okay, that is the first step. Then another method is that you can scan a picture from a book or a newspaper and save it in your computer. Okay, by the help of a scanner you can take the photo of that and you could paste it into the computer. Okay, then another method is that you should draw that picture in the computer. Okay, so which is easy? Okay, that you can decide according to your wish. Okay, so your first activity is that prepare a write-up on the various methods of preparing digital pictures. There are lot of methods for preparing digital pictures. Okay, so you want to write a half page on the various methods of preparing digital pictures and send to me. Okay, not the first assignment. See, dear children, here in this chapter you can see there is a folder named image editing in the school resources folder for standard 9. So we can open that folder by clicking on places, home, school resources, standard 8, go for image editing. Here you can see so many images. Okay, from this image you can open any one. How can you open it? Simply double click that. Okay, see, now this image is opened in an image viewer. Okay, which means that we can only view the image, so that this software is known as image viewer. Okay, we are just double clicking that image and it will be opened in an image viewer software. Okay, what must we do to view the next picture in this folder? Do you want to close it and open another one? No, you can either click here, see, go to the next image of the gallery, or you can either use the right arrow in your keyboard. Okay, now I am just pressing the right arrow in my keyboard. See, the image has changed. Okay, so this is the another method. You can either use this arrow or you can click on the right arrow of the keyboard. Okay. Can you edit this image? No, because this is opened in an image viewer software, which means that we can only view the image. Okay, so what are other options can we do in this image? You can zoom the picture by clicking in this plus button. Okay, see, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Okay, then you can rotate it. How can you rotate? Bring your cursor to the bottom portion of that image. So you can see that rotating options. Rotate the image 90 degrees to the right. Rotate the image 90 degrees to the left. So by pressing that, the image will be rotated. Okay. Watch the picture 2.1 opened in the image viewer. So this is the image. Here you can see the properties window. How can you see the properties window? Click here. Go for properties. Okay, this is the properties window. Here you can see lot of details. The name osflow.png. What is PNG? PNG is the portable network graphics. That is the file format. Okay, can you say any other file format for image? Okay, JPG. Okay, now our image is in the format PNG. Then width 960 pixels. Then height is 720 pixels. Type PNG image, bytes 1.5 MB, and it is located in the folder image editing folder in the school resources standard 8. Okay, so here you can see the width and height that is mentioned in the pixel unit. Okay, often it is essential to have knowledge about the measurements or dimensions while handling the pictures in the computer. Okay, you want to beware of the dimensions of the image that you are handling. You can do it in your mobile phones also. Okay, you can take the details, then you can show the details of that image. Okay, the dimension, the name, etc. Okay. Now, suppose you want to cut the portion of the plowed soil, then the bullocks and the plowman. Okay, so this much portion only you need. Okay, so you want to cut that and paste it in your project work for your sessions. Okay, how can you do that? After cropping, you want to reduce the size of the picture. So, how can we do these activities? There are a good number of software available in our computer to perform this task. So, let us see which all are they. Yes, GIMP, Inkscape, Xpaint, MyPaint, Pencil. Okay, these are some of such softwares used for image editing. Okay, so in this chapter you can learn GIMP detailing. What is GIMP? Let us see. GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is a graphic editor software used for editing digital pictures and photographs, that you know already. Okay, it is a graphic editor software. What is the use of GIMP software? Editing images. Which type of images? Digital images. Okay, and this was released in 1996. Which year GIMP is released? 1996, and its specialty is that this is a free software. You could study free software and proprietary software. Okay, so GIMP is a free software released in 1996. Okay. At the first time, the name of this GIMP software is General Image Manipulation Program. Okay. At the first time in 1996, the name was General Image Manipulation Program. See, dear children, two students, their name was Spencer Kimball and Peter Mattis. Okay, what is that? Spencer Kimball and Peter Mattis. Who are they? Two research scholars of California University. Okay, they are researching in the California University. They started GIMP as the research project. Okay, so when did it released? 1996. What was the name at first? General Image Manipulation Program. Okay, who released that? Spencer Kimball and Peter Mattis. Okay, who are they? Two research scholars of California University. Okay, it became a part of GNU project in 1997. Okay, you can read it as GNU or GNU. Okay, so in 1996, that project was honored by GNU project. Okay, and after that, the General Image Manipulation Program was renamed to GNU Image Manipulation Program in the year 1997. Okay, so dear children, I hope that you all understood till this